Hello and welcome to the brand new and very first episode of DM Tech Tips here on YouTube. I have right here the Logitech G11. So, what's so special about this keyboard, you might say? Well, first of all, it's the Logitech keyboard, which is freaking awesome. We have some media controls. We have the forward, back, stop and play, pause, and then the volume wheel, as you can see as I'm turning it. Let me just get it to focus here. You can see it goes up and down, and that was just completely opposite of what I said, but what the hell. Also, we have the mute button. As you can see, we can just click it down here, and as you can see, there we go. We have a little. So we can mute our system and control the volume of our system. Yeah, that was a hard word. Right off the keyboard. That's a big plus because there's many keyboards where you have that feature, but it's not working. Then we move over here. As you can see, there's a slide in the keyboard. If you haven't noticed that, you are blind. So we can turn it off. The brightness of the light off. We can turn it up to, kind of high, not the highest, or we can turn it completely up. And I just hit scroll out there. So that's basically the key features of this keyboard. Now, the gaming things of this keyboard comes in here. As you can see right there, we have the little desktop screen with the keyboard button, and we have a joystick switch. Sorry, it's not a button, it's a switch. As you can see now, as I'm clicking this button, the menu went up. I'm clicking it again, it went down. Kind of standard. But if I'm gonna take this little switch and do that, you can see as I'm clicking the button, nothing's happening. So that's a pretty cool feature, and that's very good when you're inside a game, because I've tried so many times where I'm like, right in the middle of a match. Me and my team is seriously, like destroying everybody, and then all of a sudden I click on the menu button, and then I lag out of the game and all that shit, and we lose, and my buddies get pissed off. So with this button on, we don't do that. And the other thing that's a key feature about this keyboard, and frankly the whole G series, is this. This is the G keys. Now, as you can see, we have not 1, not 2, not 3. Well, we have 1, 2, and 3, but we have all 18 G keys. 18 G keys. Now you might say, well, I'm not gonna use all those G keys. Perhaps not, but you can save it for different games. For example, you can have Call of Duty here, or you have Battlefield Bad Company 2, for example, and there you have Sniper Ghost Warrior, for example. So in total you have 52 G keys. So that's a big plus, and I've already used most of my first memory as I can just show you there. We have everything, I don't need anything else. Just gonna close that one down. Okay, and also one of the other thing is, let me just show you here. We have not 1 but 2 USB ports. So that does it for the first episode of DM Tech Tips. Hope you enjoyed this review. And if you're still asking whether you should buy this, I can only recommend it. I mean, it gets a thumbs up from me, big thumbs up, 5 stars. So that's definitely a super hot deal. Go buy that and you'll be very, very happy for your purchase. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you guys later.